Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a defendant facing 2 felony charges, and you'd think her focus would be on staying out of jail, right? No. Her priority was making sure the court got her name exactly right. And when the judge asked about her finances, it became clear she had no idea what was going on. Let's see if reality starts to sink in, or if she remains lost in the details while her legal problems pile up.
Morning.
Morning.
Angela Monique Rodriguez.
Okay.
Must be a Cordero at the bottom of it, but I don't use it.
Okay. I've got, Cordero Angela Monique Rodriguez.
Nope, that's incorrect.
Okay. Have you ever been arrested under that name before?
Yes, sir, I have.
Okay, so that's why it's going to show, and that's why it will never go away. So,
we're divorced now, though.
Yeah, but they connect to the new name, so the old name will connect to the new name.
That's fine. I don't care what name you call me. I just don't. I want my name. That's it.
Well, your name is in there, correct?
Yes.
All right. Do you have a residence?
Yes.
Can I get that address, please?
110 West Airport Road, number 14, here in Payson.
All right. And your phone number ends in 9114?
Yes, sir.
All right. And then I've got a email that has 78 and then a Gmail.
That's correct.
All right. So the state is charging you with 2 crimes. Let me get them both out in front here. They're 2 different cases. The first charge is a theft of means of transportation. That's a felony charge. The second charge is a trespassing in the first degree, and that is a felony charge as well. You have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial on both of those. I've scheduled you for a court date for both of the charges on October 21st at 3:00 p.m. That's for a preliminary hearing. A preliminary hearing is where the prosecutor or the state representative will present testimony and evidence to a judge or to a grand jury to determine if there's probable cause to charge you with those. If there is probable cause, the case will bind over to the Gila County Superior Court. If there's not probable cause, the cases could be dismissed. Your release conditions are as follows. Obey all orders of the court. Do not commit any crimes. Notify the court immediately if your address changes. Do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court. Do not have any contact with the alleged victims in any manner. Do not go near the location of the alleged offense. If you have personal property at any of the locations, then you must return with a police officer only to collect your personal belongings. And then since they're felony allegations, it's unlawful to possess firearms. If you're convicted, you could become a prohibited possessor. Regarding the charges, there's a $1,000 bond on each charge. Being that you're held in custody on a bond, you have the right to a court-appointed attorney if you cannot afford to hire one. Can you afford to hire your own attorney?
Not right now, no.
Okay, so I'd like to ask you some questions regarding your finances to see if you qualify for the court-appointed attorney. If you'd please raise your right hand for an oath. Do you solemnly swear the information you're providing the court regarding your finances to be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you?
Yes.
Thank you. What is your marital status? Single, married, partnered, separated, divorced?
Divorced.
Okay. How many other people do you financially support?
At the moment?
Correct.
Myself.
Okay. Do you have a job?
Yes.
I'm sorry?
Yes.
Okay, what do you do?
I am the owner and CEO of Sage and Shine Cleaning Company.
I'm sorry,
Here.
what was the name of it again?
Sage and Shine?
Okay. And how long have you been doing that?
Just got it up and running in March of this year.
Okay.
That's not.
What is your approximate monthly take-home pay?
It varies. It depends.
So on an average, what would you say?
On a monthly rate?
Correct.
500 to 1,500 a month.
Okay. I'll go with the low end of that then.
Okay. Fair enough.
Do you have any income from any other sources like Social Security, disability, unemployment, child or spousal support, or any other investments?
Not that I'm aware of.
Okay. Do you own a house?
Not any longer now.
Do you have
No.
any bank or retirement accounts?
Yes.
Okay. What are the funds in the accounts?
I have not been able to check them. I have no clue. Couldn't tell you.
You couldn't tell me if it's $1 to $1,000 to $20,000 to.
Couldn't tell you. Haven't had a phone or cards or ID in I don't know how long. Month, maybe? 3 weeks? 2 weeks?
Okay.
Couldn't tell you. I haven't been to the bank.
Do you have any outstanding loans?
Maybe. I don't know. Don't think so.
So you would know if you're obligated to pay somebody to borrow money from them or about them. If you didn't know that, you wouldn't owe money to somebody. So
Right.
people that borrow money or owe money on a car or a house know that they have to make payments monthly. So you don't know if you have any of that?
No, sir, I do not.
Okay.
It's a little irritated, though.
What's that?
Nothing.
Okay, I'll put unknown amount in the bank, unknown whether you have loans or not. Do you know what your monthly expenses are? So you make roughly $500 to $1,500 a month on average. And then do you know what your bills are roughly?
Not really, because they've all been, summer they were up, and the winter they're up. I don't know what they are right now. I have not been home. I haven't been allowed to be home, so I, honest to God, don't know what to say to you.
Do you have do you have a cell phone?
I did have a cell phone, yes.
Did you pay a bill on that?
For whatever month we're in, I don't know. I don't know. No, I did not. We're in October.
Okay.
No,
So
I haven't made a payment on that.
did you make a payment in September?
Yes.
All right. How much was that?
150.
Okay. Do you eat?
Do I eat?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I get food stamps.
Okay. So you do receive an income from other sources then?
I just remembered that. Yeah, that is another source. Yeah,
Okay.
they just hit yesterday. I was gonna. Never mind.
What's your food stamps amount?
I don't know the exact amount, but I think it's like $800 a month. My children used to live with me, so it was for all three of us.
Okay.
Well, two of my kids.
Do you drive a vehicle or anything like that, or have any gas expenses or anything like that?
Not right now.
All right. We'll just use a cell phone of $150 a month.
Well, that cell phone bill that I was paying was for 3 phones.
Right.
Oh,
Okay.
it might be less now.
Okay, the court finds that you do qualify regardless for a court-appointed attorney, so let me explain to you how that happens. So since you're held in custody, the prosecutor has 48 hours from the date and time of this hearing to file a complaint against you. If they do file the complaint on those 2 charges, then you'll have an attorney assigned at that time, then they'll review your bond and have a discussion with you regarding the charges. If they do not file a complaint within 48 hours of this hearing, you'll be released on your own recognizance, but the case can be filed up to 7 years from the date of your arrest. Do you understand that?
So I have to stay in custody for 48 more hours?
48 hours to see if they file a complaint. And if they do, then you're still in custody with a $1,000 bond on each charge, and then your attorney will have to work for you on that. So, any other questions in that?
Haven't I already been here 48 hours?
No, you've been here for roughly 24 hours, but not 48 hours. So, but that's your initial appearance. So now we're having your initial appearance now. You're arrested and in custody. Now you're having an initial appearance. The time starts now for 48 hours from your initial appearance.
And what about the time served? I've been here since yesterday at like 11?
That's for you alleging that you committed these offenses. So that's just time. That's being arrested. So now 48 hours with the bond, unless you bond out, that's when the timeline starts.
That doesn't make any sense to me, but
Talk to your legislators on that. That's how they legislate. Any other questions?
Thank you.
Okay, have a good day.
You too.
Wow, she was completely lost. But the clock is ticking with the $2,000 bond over her head. She's facing some pretty serious charges. I hope she manages to figure things out by her next court date. But what do you think? Will she finally get her act together, or is there more confusion ahead? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more gripping courtroom moments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.